everyone! Welcome to day 16 of the Advent calendar. I hope you're doing very well. It is December the 16th. Today I am wearing another very old outfit that has not come out of the cupboard for some time. But in putting it on, I remembered how much I like it. This is a mashup of the by hand London Anna dress top and the Sew Over It tulip skirt, which I assume they still sell. They released it a very long time ago, but I'm assuming it's still in their range. Again, I will link to everything in the description box. The fabric is a really lovely linen mixed with something. I don't know what it is. It might be polyester, but I think it's natural. So it's got the kind of feel and weight of linen, but without the creasing, which is smashing. So it's a very nice dress. So that's what I'm wearing today. General consensus from the comments is that we finish on Christmas Eve. Excellent, good. I'm glad that we have consensus. So the last episode will be on Christmas Eve. And I have a request. Having gone through all of my list of tips, I now am coming to the end of my list. Stunningly enough. So I need some more. So please, if you haven't yet submitted a hack, you have now seen the sorts of things that I'm putting on the Advent calendar, so that may have prompted a few thoughts for you. I know a few people have added theirs on later videos. Most are on the very first one when I kind of introduced the concept. So the one before the 1st of December, I think it was called News of December Fun. So if you need some inspiration, go back and look at the comments there. But please submit them because I'd love to include some more from other people. The ones that I've included so far from other people have been super great, and there's a couple lined up to come up in future days. So yes, please submit your hacks. Joke for the day, back to Christmas theme. We've moved away from Halloween. Back to Christmas theme. What athlete is the warmest in the winter? A long jumper. Anywho, so today's Christmas Advent tip is coming up now. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you tomorrow for day 17. Bye!
Today's tip is all about buttonholes and a quick way to stop you cutting through the end of one when you're making the hole in the middle after you've sewn the buttonhole outline. If you just pop a pin straight through the middle of your buttonhole so that the the pin itself goes through the hole that you're going to be cutting, then even if you use a stitch ripper or something that's less easy to control, it is impossible for you to cut through the end because you've got a massive chunk of metal going right across that end of your buttonhole. It just means that at the end of a project where you're cutting your buttonholes, which is usually the last thing you do, you don't mess it up and ruin it. So just a little hack for you.